Join us and learn how to make a trio of classic silver bangles in this step-by-step Cognac Jewellery School online course. This start-to-finish project gives you all the information you'll need to create a classic silver bangle with 3 different finishes: a high shine, a hammered finish, and a matte or frosted finish. In this course, you'll learn how to size a bangle for a perfect fit, how to shape silver wire, how to prepare and solder a join, how to sand and refine your bangles, and how to polish and finish them in 3 different ways, as well as other techniques that you can use for all your future projects. This course is broken down into 10 easy-to-digest lessons and 6 bonus technical videos. Simply sign up and follow the instructions 1 lesson at a time. You can complete this project in one go, or if you need to take a break, the handy progress bar will remember where you are so you can easily pick up where you left off. And of course, once you've purchased this course, it's yours to keep forever, so you can revisit it as many times as you like. In the resources section, you'll find printable written instructions to keep on your bench, the essential guide to bangles, cuffs and bracelets, and a full tools and materials list to buy anything you might not already have. And finally, all online courses grant you direct access to help and support to answer any questions you may have along the way. If you get stuck, don't hesitate to get in touch. I'll be happy to personally answer your queries to ensure you fully enjoy the making process and complete your project.